Alright, today I'm doing a review of this PC Street Cart sausages. They were on sale. Just want to read the ingredients. There we go. There is the nutrient panel. I'm going to cook them up and I'll be back, guys. Okay, so I just cooked one up here. I also sliced it a bit just to, if there was any fat or any... usually these things are actually kind of salty, right? So let's try it out. Yeah, so it's a good thing you cut it and then you let some of that salt boil away a bit because it is kind of salty. It has a nice flavor to it. It's got some spices you can taste. Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.